Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. I hope you're fine, doing great in your life. So today what I have here is, so let's say you want to create a backend and a front end on a single repo and want to configure it on a single command. Let's say if I want to run npm start, so it should start backend server on any port and backend front end server on any particular port. So let's say first I have installed or you can say I have created a React app. Then this is a React app structure apart from this server folder. After that, what I have done here is I have created a server folder, and in the server folder, as you can see, we already have know about the controller, db config, and other things from the Express. So if I can show you this documentation from where you can learn how you can configure Express on your Node.js and how you can create a server by that. Also I have a playlist about Node.js with MongoDB, so you can check it out and get knowledge about the creating a server, about file structure, about CRUD operations and etc things. So let's back to topic. So in the server folder I have did something here is in the package.json I have created a script which is start and then nodemon index.js. The nodemon library will be used to restart the server whenever I do a code change in our server. Apart from that, if I don't do this, I need to close the server every time whenever I have to push the changes on a local and then restart the server. So this will be helpful to save your time. Then on a front end on a React application, I have done here is in package.json what that I have installed a library which is called concurrently, and it will allow me to create a command which will be run simultaneously, or you can say combine two commands and run simultaneously in a single command. So what I have done here is I have created a script which is def, and then I place the concurrent tag and then create that first I want to switch to my server, then go to the directory of server and then start a server with the command of nodemon, and then back to my front end which is React app. This is run the command npm start, so it will simultaneously start my backend as well as front end. So let me show you. I have just simple did is, so I need to run the command which is npm def npm run def. So it should run my backend server and front end. So as you can see, this the command is run concurrent server, and then the server is started at port 3001, which I can show you in my server index file that the port is 3001. And now as the database is connected also, and now my front end application is also starting. So if I go to this and type localhost 3000, so it should start the React application. So as you can see, this is starting React application. Also let me show you the backend by hitting the API which I have a health API which I have created in my backend server, which is this one. So if I go to this and just cancel this, unfill this, and localhost, then this, then one slash, so it will hit the API which I have created on Node.js, and then a front end should be start here. So in that way you can create your backend server plus front end application and run on a single command. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. मिलते हैं, उम्मीद के साथ अपना ख्याल रखेंगे। अल्लाह।